Hey guys, this is Abhishek VJ. This is assignment 3 for advanced web design. Here I'll be creating uh, my own personal form where I'll validate first name, last name, email, telephone, city, state, and submit that. And okay, let's get to it. Um, Here's my index, my HTML index. I have this is my form right here. This is the main form method using get, and the action is form.php, which we'll go over later. Create a div for each thing that we'll be inputting into our form, such as first name, last name, email, phone number, city, zip code, and here I have a checkbox if you agree to terms and conditions, and I have a submit button right here. I'll go over the states later, but here's my JavaScript code. As you can see here, I start off by creating here's my ready function. Here's my submit function for the form. Created first name here and the variable first pattern, which is basically anything uppercase or lowercase, space, and it has to be between 2 to 30 characters. Last name here, this one's super long because for the extra credit with all the spaces and like the commas and stuff. I'll go over that later. Email address right here. This is basically uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, numbers, periods, underscores, dashes, and then the other part is after the @ sign. You have uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers also, and then here's the dot, and it has to be like .com or .net or .edu, whatever. So that's uppercase or lowercase, between 2 to 4 words. Phone pattern was kind of tricky here. First part is underscore brackets, and it has to be 3 digits long. Could be any number between 0 to 9. And then the next part here, you can separate that between dash, dat, space, and then the next number is 0 to 9, 3 digits. Excuse me. Same thing here, but it's 4 digits for the end. City name is basically anything. Well, lowercase and uppercase. It could be same thing. And then same thing with state name. It was pretty simple, basically. State name basically is right here. I had to create a drop down, and I created all the states. Well, their abbreviations. So that's there. It has to be checked. It'll check for that. And then zip code is any number between 0 and 9, 5 digits. And for extra, the extra code, I dash 0 to 9 and 4 digits. Made the error check right here just to make sure it's all the fields are you have something entered into every field. Here's my if statements to check for the test to see if everything's working or not. So I do first name, last name, email pattern, do dot test times what we're checking, and if that's not true, you send out an error message. Please enter valid first name, last name, email, whatever, all the way down. And then my alert will tell me, alert, please fix the following errors, and all the errors will be listed out. And then, yeah, so, simple CSS class, made it a little, I don't want it to be all white, so, I made this background lime green. But, okay, let's start inputting data in. Go with my first name. I have autofill on right now. So let's say this should go through perfectly without any issues because everything's filled out. So let's hit submit here, and yeah, everything's submitted to the server, the PHP. Everything's here. I couldn't figure out my timing. I found some code online on how to get the time, but for some reason it's always 4 hours ahead. As you can see here, it's 4:31. But yeah, I couldn't figure that out, so that's that. So let's try fooling around with stuff that shouldn't go through. So let's say I'm gonna add. Well, first name obviously is just letters, uppercase or lowercase. So I'll add a number to my name. That should not go through. So it says fix the following errors. Please enter a valid first name. So that won't work. Same thing with last name. Wait, I don't know why that sent through, but let me refresh the page and do that again. Abhishek VJ2 phone number. Well, maybe yeah, maybe it's part of the long code. I'm probably allowed numbers to go through, but let's check out email. Email, what shouldn't work? Let's put in like random characters, like $@gmail.com. Please enter a valid email. That won't work, but if you put in random letters, it should work. Yeah. City, literally random numbers. I don't know why that went through. Refresh this. I don't know why that's going through. Hold on, let me pause this and fix that error real quick. Sorry about that. Sorry. I fixed my code, and so this should also. This is the regular expression I use for city, and this should also. Yeah, this is right. So let me save this. Let me run this again. Let me put in random numbers for city, whatever. And now it should not work. Let's see for zip code. Let's put in a bunch of letters actually. That should not go through. Please enter a valid zip code. Let's say I make it more than 5. Yeah, it shouldn't work. So let's say I make it 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5, and plus the 4 digits extra. This should go through. Yes, it does. So yeah, there's that. So let's try some of the last name cases. What was the extra credit ones? McDonald, De La Hoya, O'Neill, and Van Gogh. So let's try McDonald. Should work. Yes, it does. What's next? De La Hoya. Should work. Perfect. O'Neill. Should work. And was the last one. Then go. And that one works too. Let me show you. Yeah, well, that's basically my form. Let me finish it off by showing you my my PHP. This is my PHP right here. Basically they're all get functions, and just first, last name, email, phone, city, whatever I needed, and then I echoed spaces so like they wouldn't like overlap, and I echoed the date and also the time, which I tried, but obviously didn't really work out. But yep, that's my project. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.